Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 7.9. First question. Prem bought 28.5 kg ghee for rupees 2992.5. Find the price of ghee per kg. So that will be first question. Solution that here we will do divide, but that 2992.50 divided by that 28.5. So that no need to write the 0. Okay, after decimal 1 digit, here is also 1 digit. So we will do that type 28 285 29925. When we will divide, that will be go to 1 time, that 285 banja 285, and then after 9 less 5 4, 9 less 8 1, that is 0. Now next digit 2. 142 is smaller than 285, so not possible to divide. So we will take the another digit, that will become 0. So now that will be go obviously 5 times. So 1425, that will be answer. So cost of per kg ghee, price of per kg ghee, price of per kg ghee is equal to rupees 105. Next question. A batsman scored 388 runs in 5 innings. Find his average score per inning. That will be solution. Here also we will do similarly, that will be divide 5 divided 3 8 8 8 8. So 3 7 ja 5 7 ja 35, that will be 3, next digit 8 7 ja 35, and then left 3, then by decimal that will be 0, 5 6 ja 35. Now remainder 0. So average score, average score is equal to 77.6 run. 76.6 run. Fourth question. A man earns rupees 10,278 in a year. If the earn same amount every month, find his monthly income. That will be, so monthly income is, you know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So by 12, that will be divided 10,278. 10,278. So that first will go 4 times. So 4 2 ja 8, and then 4 1 ja 4, that will be no go 1 time, that will be 8 times, that will be go 12 8 ja 96, and then left is 2, that 9 less 9 1, that sorry 12 less 6 6, and then another digit 12 5 ja 60, and then left is 7, 12 6 ja 72, 12 6 ja 72, that will be left is 6 0 by decimal, 12 5 ja 60. that. So monthly income is equal to rupees 856.50, that is a 50 paise. Fifth question, there will be 40.5 meter cloth is required to make 18 shirt. How much cloth will be required to make that? 3 question is left here. So see that third question here. If the cost of 8.5 meter of cloth is rupees 178.5, what is the cost of 1 meter that cloth? Also find the cost of 5.5 meter of that cloth. So obviously that will be solution 178.50 divided by that 8.5. So no need to write this 0. After decimal you are looking one digit, so we will leave the decimal 1785 and then divide. That will be go 2 times. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, and then 8, next digit is 5, 85 1 ja 85, that 21. So cost of 1 meter, cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to rupees 21, and then find the cost of 5.5 meter of cloth. So we will see here. So cost of 5.5 meter is equal to 5.5 multiply 21, that 21 by the multiply, that will be that here we can multiply 21 5.5, 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10, 105, 5511 decimal, rupees 115.5. And then second, now we will see the question number 5. Five question is just lengthy. 40.5 meter cloth is required to make 18 shirt. How much cloth will be required to make 1 shirt? So that's first part, 1 shirt. That solution will be 40, 18 divides 40.5. So that will be 18 2 ja 36, and then 4 is left, then decimal, next digit 5, 18 2 ja 36, and then left is 9, 0 by ourselves, 18 5 ja 90, that. So cloth for 1 meter shirt, cloth for 1 meter shirt is equal to 2.25 meter. And then second part is saying that 8 shirt, that cloth for 1 shirt, that 8 shirt, 8 shirts. So that solution will be, we will multiply that 2.25 into 8. So that will be 18 meter. 18 meter. That will be 18 meter. Question number second, that is third. Third is 10 meter. Oh, 10 shirt. 10 shirts. That solution will be 2.25 into 10. So that will be 22.5 meter shirt. By the multiply that has come. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of the square whose side is 9.5. So that perimeter is equal to 4 into 9.5, because perimeter square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides, so that is 4. So that will be 4 5 is 20. No need to write. And then 4 9 is 36 and 2 38 meter. Seventh question, that if a shopkeeper has rupees 1864.5 kg of wheat in 33 bags, how much wheat is there in each bag? So here also we'll divide. 33 divides 1864.5. 33 divides 1864.5. That will be, first time go, that 5 time. 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15, 1 16, and then 1 2, that 4. Again that will be go, and that will be go 6 time. 6 times, 6 is 18, 6 is 18, 1 19, and then 14 less 8, 6, 10 less 9, 1, and then decimal 5. That will be go 5 time, because we have here this one. So that wheat each bag, wheat in each bag, wheat in each bag is equal to 56.5 kg. And then 8th question, what's saying 8th question? 1 meter of shooting cloth cost rupees 50.75. What will be the cost of 25 meter of shooting cloth? So most obviously here we will do the multiply. That cost of 1 meter is 50.75 multiply by 25. That will become, by the multiply point, that will be 75. So cost of 25 meter, cost of 25 meter is equal to 1268.75. Now 3 question is left here on next page. Ninth question, I bought 18 kg of desi ghee for rupees 1989. Find the price of 1 kg ghee. So obviously here also we will divide, because we are finding the 1 kg. So 18 divides 1989. So 18 1 ja 18, 1 is left, next digit 18 1 ja 18, 0 is left, next digit is 9. So 18 0 ja 0, 9 by decimal, that is 0, 18 5 ja 90. So that price of 1 kg ghee, price of 1 kg that ghee is equal to 110.5, sorry, rupees 110.5. Next, divide 1274 meter of cloth equally among 28 men. So that 10th question, 28 divides 1274. So first will be go, that will be 4 time. So 4 8 ja 32, 4 2 ja 8 3 11, 5 1. Next digit 4. Now next will be 5 time. 5 8 ja 40, and then 5 2 ja 10, 4 14, and then 4 1, and then by decimal that will be 0. Again 5 time will go, that 140. So that how much cloth each mat get? Each mat get, each man get is equal to that one 45.5 meter. And then last question, 11th question, Yogesh earn rupees 42,534 in a year. If the earn the same amount every month, find the monthly income. So obviously that will be divided. So 12, 1 year is equal to 12 month. So 42,534. So that will be 12 3 ja 36, and then 6 is left, 12 5 ja 60, and then 5 is left, 3, 12 4 ja 48, and then left is 5, and then next digit is 4, 12 4 ja 48, and then 6 is left, that will be 60 by decimal, 12 5 ja 60. Okay, so monthly income, here I am writing monthly income is equal to rupees 3544.5. 3544.5. Okay.